Hi, second grade. It's Miss Stephanie, and today I'm going to go over the problems on the PowerPoint so you have a better idea of how to do your work. All right, so problem 1 says find the perimeter of this book. So this unit is all about perimeter. So perimeter is the length around an object. So the first problem says find the perimeter of the book. So problem 1 is all about finding the perimeter of a rectangle. So you're probably wondering why we have two sides that give us the length and the width, but we have a length and a width missing from this side. Well, I'm going to tell you why. So here, let's look at this side first. This side gives us the width. It tells you how wide the rectangle is. That line's not straight, but that's okay. So this side that I have, let me make that a highlight. So this side right here, again, not completely straight, but that's okay. So this side has a width of 7. So let's go down to this side that's parallel to it. Remember, we learned about parallel from our last unit. So the two parallel sides on a rectangle are going to have the same length, or the same width in this case. So if the top has a width of 7, that means the bottom is also going to have a width of 7. All right, so this side is also going to be 7 inches. It's kind of hard to see because there's not a lot of space to write this, but let me zoom in for you. So 7 inches. So now we have to find the length of the other side. So this side right here gives us a length of 11. So let me highlight that. Let me use a different color. All right, so here we have a length of 11. Again, not totally straight. So now the side that's parallel to it, oh my goodness. All right, just so you know, this is the side the black's making it hard to see. So the side parallel to this is also going to give us a length of 11 inches. Let me get the pen back. All right, so we have 11 inches. Now to find the perimeter or the measurement around the book, we have to add all of this together. So we're going to add 11 inches plus 11 inches plus 7 inches plus 7 inches. Now that's a lot to kind of add together all in one sitting. So we're just gonna break it apart. So the first thing we're gonna do is 11 plus 11. So we're gonna add that together. All right, so remember we always start with the 1. So 1 plus 1 is gonna give us 2. And then 1 plus 1 is going to give us 2 again. So far we have 22. So we already did 11 plus 11. So now we're going to add 7 to that. So we're going to add the first 7. So since we got 22 from 11 plus 11, we're going to add 1 7 to that 22. So 7 plus 2 is 9. And then we have 2 and we have nothing there, but we can always assume when there's nothing there, it's a 0. So 2 plus 0 is going to give us 2. So far we have 29. We just added 1 7, so we can cross that off. Now we're going to add 29 plus 7. 29 plus 7. You know, let's do it over here so you guys can see it. All right. Okay, so we're going to add the ones first. So 9 plus 7 is going to give us 16. And by the way, guys, if you had trouble finding the answers to some of these, as I said before, you could draw a picture, draw 9 circles, and then draw 7 more. Or you guys can just count on. So you can count 9 and then go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you'll have 16. So you're going to hold the place for the 6. And then you're going to regroup the 1 in 16 for the tens. So as I said, if there's nothing in that tens place, you can always assume that it's 0. So 2 plus 0 is going to give us 2, but you got to remember to add that 1, and our answer is 3. So our perimeter of the whole notebook is 36 inches. All right, I hope this helps you guys. I will be posting the other problems on the slideshow in a minute. And I hope this helps.